Welcome to tutorial.
So Google also
You
send you
also
this
receive
email.
this
Google
email. Google
Analytics 4
Analytics
is
4 is
replacing
Universal
Universal
Analytics.
Analytics. So that's
So
mean
that's mean
Google
Google
Analytics release a new version of Google Analytics. Few months back they released, but uh, after many months they are announcing this. They are replacing Google Universal Analytics with Analytics 4. So Google Analytics 4 is our latest version, next generation version. So you need to use this. So after 1 July 2023, Universal Analytics will dismiss. You cannot use, and Google Analytics will not collect any data. So here you can see this is old version, and they are also showing this pop-up notification on your Google Analytics. We will dismiss Universal Analytics. So this is Analytics 4, and this is old version. Here you can see how it's look like real-time audience. So but this one is Analytics 4, but this one is old version. So you can see a different with both version. So new version have less menus, and but old version have many menus. So maybe you face some error and you dislike latest version, because from a long time we are using old version. That's why we like old version, but new version is better than better than from old version. You need to use a new version. So I am also using both version on my website, old version and also a new version. Reason is because our new version is under uh, construction, and the new version is not comfortable with many website integration. You need to use also old version, also new version. So in future, when old version is dismissed and we already have some data in our new website side. So here you can see how it's look like a new version. So I will show you. So here you can see Google and for analytics showing me last 30-minute data. So in last 30 minutes I go 29 user. So also they also show me a map, how from where desktop, mobile, and also show me location. Here you can see a location from which country and location you are getting this traffic. Maybe you dislike a new version, but a new version is better than from old version. So once you use this, and once you explore a new version, you will understand. Here you can see one user is from Poland. So they click, the user is just engaged, and after 53-60 seconds, when they click on some pages on menus, and then Google will catch this, and they will also show you how your user reacting on your website. So this new version is good. So unknown, Google unknowns, and this is another user, Sri Lanka. So they just visit my page, and then they visit two other pages, and they once they visit my website, and after a few seconds they visit a second page on my website. This is another user. Session start, another user. Page view. So here you can see this user visit my website, and session start, the page view, and first visit, because this one user is first time visit my website. So Google showing me all of the Google Analytics showing me all of the data from a single user. This is exploration, and this tab is advertising. So you can link advertising platform with your Google Analytics, and then the earning will show here. So here you can see lot of settings and options available. You can try this setting. So don't use just latest version, also use old version, because a latest version is not fully created. This all new version is under development. You need to use old version. Once old version is dismissed, and in future the new version is completed, because Google team is still making new version comfortable. That's all from me. If you want to know more about Google Analytics 4, you need to search on YouTube about Google Analytics 4. You will learn more about a new version. So that's all from me. So you can use both version, Google Analytics and Google Universal Analytics and Analytics 4. So when you, if today if you create a new property in Google Analytics, you will get Analytics 4. You will not get Analytics Universal Analytics, because Google providing stop providing old version for new user. But if you are using old version from a long time, but then you have a time still till time from 1 July to 2023. After 21st July, the data will stop from Google Analytics. Thanks for watching.